Hi, my name is Todd Felici. I'm a field application engineer for Analog Devices. I'm reporting from the APEX show, and this year we're out showing off our power system management devices and portfolio. What we have here is an entire point of load back-to-back plane system based on this technology. Sort of a picture of what we're showing off. From a 12-volt system, we have our hot swap controller, which does power conditioning the input and also allows us to gate anything downstream. We do intermediate bus control with both regulation and monitoring, and then follow that down to a manager and subsequent point of load. The real meat of it is in the digital domain, and you can see up behind me we're running our Power Play package, which is a piece of software. We're showing all the telemetry that we read back, including you can see the duty cycle of the device. Here we're looking at the 3887 channel 0. That's providing a 2.5 volt output. We can see over here that's the yellow trace, and then we'll note that the current that's being delivered to the load in real time, and you can see that that's adjusting. We also know the temperature of that rail, and all of these parts are able to read their own internal temperature as well as auxiliary temperatures that can be read through PN junctions externally. We have the ability to margin our voltage in real time as well. We can change them. We can also set thresholds for being warnings and alerts. The devices also provide black box functionality in terms of EEPROM should a failure occur in the field. Overcurrent, under voltage, thermal warnings, these are all logged and put into memory and can be extracted later for subsequent analysis. Really useful in RMA situations. Other places we find this useful is actually production line. Production line, engineering evaluation, any place you want a red light, green light testing process. Instead of someone sitting there with probes, you can actually just plug into the I2C port and instantly know that you have power goodness. Other things that you can do is sequencing, and if I shut the rails off, we can see that they sequence down in a controlled format, and when we allow them to return, we have a nice controlled sequence as well. You'll note over here this sequence is well defined and configurable in real time. And one of the other benefits of this package is that simple changes to software can allow your product to evolve in the field. You don't have to return the items in order to do that. So we have people that will do over-the-air updates for products, and they'll actually reconfigure their power supply if necessary.